starting to get into the moving process. Obviously I'm at the new house already, but we're catching up on the footage. And so this is like the week before we started moving, like just before this is the first tip run of just all the built up car parts and like mostly metal, just shit. And there was a lot, goddamn. And then on the way there and back, Dylan got a bunch of like clips in the Prado, so I just put together a mad little like cruise edit at the end. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Like I said, it's just getting better and better. We're just gonna get into more and more mad shit. So thank you for sticking around. Big shout out to everyone going hard on the website orders. Oh, and we have 2 new sticker designs on their way and restocking on the current stickers we already have. So over the next 2 or 3 weeks or so, you should see those coming in. But anyway guys, hope you enjoy the video. It's nothing special, it's just us fucking around, doing what we had to do and chucking it on YouTube. So comment what you think, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Yeah, bud, got in. Alright, can he reverse a trailer? Is he big boy?
Can he reverse a trailer?
Oh, I want to block it for you.
Let's go, bud.
Yeah, he's good, this guy. He's fucking good, this guy.
Go.
Yeah, that's pretty good there. Oh, almost got it in. You don't need this, do you? Nah. Oh, look at that.
Ah, bud.
Let's go. I want to see if I can get like a gun. Fucking big hole. There you go. Way further that way. Here we go. Ready? Where's that fucking going? Take out the pole. Oh my god, how far are you gonna fall? How the fuck did we not see this?
Someone's mum got so sick of it.
Bro. Fuck. That's fucking sick. I reckon that's still good. We should take that. Wait, did you drop 2? Or did you only have 1? Wait, someone else has been dropping. That exploded, bro.
Sound of shooting around.
A boom. Yeah, it's still warm, bro. It's still working. Oh fuck!
I'm so sorry, bro.
You just need to pull. I'm straightening it out. You fuck, dude. You see that? I fucking just did that, mate. Don't fuck. Fuck, man, you get on my nerves.
Pure horse, mate.
You know, it's all that fucking Nutrigrain I had this morning, eh?
Yeah.
No, I had that's just actually.
Mate, I had 6 Weet-Bix and a banana. How many do you do?
Bro, I used to smash like 6 Weet-Bix, 2 up and go. So what's that? That's like fucking 10. Oh, bend the bonnet in. How the fuck can it take that but not hail? You want this? 10 mil?
Yeah.
10 mil fucking shit. Of course, it would be a 10 mil though, eh? It had to be. How many platinums do you want? Fuck, this one's like good shit. Is this one? You on this? 22 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, the fuck is it on? Oh, fuck, you got like, fuck! You got all these, man? What is this fucking sockets in here? Yeah, you're fucking cool. I know. Well, it's like a ½ inch. Extension. Wait, I reckon that's still good, eh? That's not bent. At all. Fucking hands are fucking stuck.
What the fuck?
Bro, what the fuck? What?
Need your help.
Hang on, let's just fucking twirl this around all fancy like fucking. Whoop! Bro, throwing bolts are now my new favourite thing. They just fucking fly. Oh, bro. That took a good fucking chunk out of it. Oh, fuck me.
Oh, fucking hell.
Is there like a whole socket set there?
No, there's a whole bunch of metal.
Fuck.
He's here, mate.
It's flying, bro. What's this? You throwing shit past my head, bro, without my consent.
Yep.
Oh, caught that. Shit. Bang! No? Oh, hello. What's that bend?
Alright, grab the wheel.
Okay, this is disgusting.